All right, this electric fireplace heater is flying off the shelves on Amazon. I see why. First and foremost, I love this thing just because it sets a vibe. I like lighting, especially like there's something about the fireplace vibe that I just love, but also it's like you might not have a fireplace and there's a lot of downsides to a fireplace as well. This gives you the fireplace vibe without any of the downsides. And I love how compact it is. For reference, I'm about 5'11", and as you can see, it goes to just about my kneecap. Maybe it's about my kneecap. So I really love that. Also, just the lighting of the fire. You come in here, everything can be controlled with this remote, but you also got the settings right here. So right now it is, I think it's set on 72. This thing heats up very quickly. So it's set at 70, there's 73. I'll go up to the highest temperature just so you can see. It is 90 degrees right there. And now we can also adjust the flame. So right now, right there, that's the brightest setting. There's the second brightest setting, 3, 4, and then it shuts off. And even though the flame is off there, the heat is still going. So maybe there's a time where you want the heat, but you don't want the fireplace vibe. You can do that. So that's great. I just love the fireplace vibe. So I like to turn it on full lighting. Then you've also got the timer that you can set to go off. It goes up to 12 hours here, 12 hours. Close that right up. I think this thing's great. This thing's amazing. And let me just show you the full vibe. So you can see the back of it even too. There's the back right there. Has the 4 legs. This thing's great. And I highly recommend it.